Imagine waking up 6 years from now, checking your investment portfolio, and realizing you've become a millionaire. This isn't a far-fetched dream, but a possible reality if you navigate the volatile yet promising waters of SHIBA INU, SHIBA investment with strategic finesse. Here's how you can potentially turn the tides in your favor and sail towards a 7-figure sum by 2030. Cryptocurrency markets are renowned for their volatility, offering both substantial risks and rewards. SHIBA INU, emerging as a meme coin with a cult following, has demonstrated remarkable growth, capturing the attention of investors worldwide. This section will provide a backdrop against which SHIBA has risen, emphasizing its community-driven approach, market dynamics, and the pivotal moments that have defined its journey. The SHIBA community, or the SHIBA army, plays a crucial role in the token's popularity. Their collective belief and promotional efforts have propelled SHIBA to significant heights. Understanding how community sentiment can influence price and market trends is crucial for any investor looking to dive into SHIBA. Cryptocurrency markets are notoriously unpredictable, with prices fluctuating wildly in short periods. This section will explore strategies to navigate this volatility, including identifying opportune moments to invest in SHIBA and how to read market signals to optimize your investment timing. Starting with a solid foundation, research and resources. Before making any investment, thorough research is paramount. This includes understanding SHIBA's market position, historical performance, and future potential. Resources like market analysis reports, cryptocurrency forums, and SHIBA's official communications will be invaluable. Investment amount and risk management. Determining how much to invest in SHIBA is a personal decision, influenced by your financial situation and risk tolerance. This segment will discuss setting realistic investment goals, managing expectations, and strategies to mitigate financial risk. DCA is a strategy employed by many successful investors, involving regular purchases of an asset regardless of its price. Applying this method to SHIBA could smooth out volatility and potentially lower the average purchase price over time, setting a foundation for growth. Deciding whether to hold your SHIBA for the long term or engage in more frequent trading depends on your investment style and market outlook. This section will weigh the pros and cons of each approach, considering SHIBA's volatile nature and the broader crypto market trends. Beyond mere speculation, SHIBA offers a growing ecosystem with features like SHIBA Swap, its decentralized exchange, and various NFT and gaming initiatives. Engaging with these aspects not only supports the SHIBA community, but could also provide additional avenues for investment and growth. Understanding and utilizing SHIBA Swap can offer SHIBA investors a platform for trading and earning rewards, potentially increasing their SHIBA holdings and understanding of the broader DeFi, decentralized finance landscape. SHIBA's foray into NFTs and gaming represents an expansion of its ecosystem, offering new opportunities for investors. This part will explore how these initiatives could drive value for SHIBA holders and diversify investment strategies. The psychological aspect of investing in volatile assets like SHIBA cannot be overstated. Fear, greed, and the herd mentality can significantly impact decision-making processes. The fear of missing out, FOMO, can lead investors to make hasty decisions, especially in a rapidly moving market. Strategies to counteract FOMO and maintain a disciplined approach to investing in SHIBA will be discussed. The crypto market's inherent volatility requires a strong psychological fortitude. This section will offer tips on staying focused on long-term goals, dealing with market dips, and the importance of not letting emotions drive investment choices. This initial exploration sets the stage for a detailed and strategic approach to potentially achieving millionaire status with SHIBA INU by 2030. Understanding the landscape, crafting a tailored investment strategy, leveraging the SHIBA ecosystem, and mastering the psychological challenges of crypto investing are critical steps on this journey. As we delve deeper into these topics, remember that the path to wealth in the cryptocurrency world is both challenging and exhilarating. Stay tuned for further insights and strategies to navigate this journey successfully. Imagine SHIBA as a tiny seed that you plant in your garden. Just like any seed, if you take good care of it, it can grow into a big, beautiful tree. Right now, this SHIBA seed is really small and doesn't cost much to buy. But people think that by the year 2030, this tiny seed could grow into a tree that's much, much bigger. The tale of two investment paths. In our SHIBA garden adventure, there are two magical paths you might consider walking down, each leading to a different gigantic tree you hope to grow by 2030. Path 1. The giant tree from a forest of seeds. On the first path, you aim to grow a tree so big that it could be worth $1 million by 2030. To do this, you need to start with about 4.31 billion tiny SHIBA seeds. Right now, gathering all these seeds would cost you about as much as a very fancy car, around $41,004.74. Think of this like playing a video game where you start with a small village. You want your village to grow into a huge kingdom by the end of the game. Buying these seeds and planting them is like building your village in the best spot, where it has a lot of room to grow and become something amazing. Path 2. The towering tree from a smaller pouch of seeds. The second path is even more magical because you don't need as many seeds to start. You only need about 1.40 billion SHIBA seeds, which would cost you about as much as a smaller, less fancy car, around $13,355.33. If the seeds grow as some people believe they might, this smaller pouch of seeds could also turn into a tree worth $1 million by 2030. This is like starting the same video game with a magic item that makes your village grow faster, so you don't need as many resources to make it into a huge kingdom. How do these seeds turn into money trees? You might be wondering how these tiny seeds can turn into trees worth $1 million. It's all about how much people think the seeds, the SHIBA coins, will be worth in the future. Some people guess that each SHIBA seed could grow to be worth $0.00023197768, and others believe even more, thinking they could grow to be worth $0.000712 each. If you have enough seeds and they grow to these values, adding them all up equals a tree worth $1 million. Planting your seeds wisely. To start your SHIBA garden, you don't just throw your seeds on the ground and hope for the best. You need to plant them carefully. This means deciding when it's the right time to buy your seeds and how many you should start with. It's like when you play a game and you decide whether to save your coins to buy a big upgrade later or spend them now to get a small boost watching your garden grow. After planting your seeds, you need to take care of them. This doesn't mean watching them every second, just like you don't need to stare at your video game all day waiting for your resources to increase, but you should check on them sometimes to make sure they're growing healthy and strong. The magic of patience. In our SHIBA garden story, the most magical ingredient of all is patience. Just like in games where you have to wait for your buildings to upgrade or your crops to grow, in the real world, you need to give your SHIBA seeds time to grow into the giant tree you're dreaming of. The adventure continues. As you continue on your journey, you'll learn more about how to take care of your garden, when to plant more seeds, and even how to deal with weeds, which in our story are like the dips in the market. By 2030, you'll see whether your garden has grown into the lush, green, $1 million tree you hoped it would be. And just like in the best stories, the journey and everything you learn along the way are just as important as the treasure you find at the end. Remembering our tale. As we close this chapter of our story, remember that investing in SHIBA, like growing a magical garden, takes a mix of courage, knowledge, and a sprinkle of luck. Whether you start with a big pouch of seeds or a smaller one, the adventure lies in the care, patience, and decisions you make along the way. Through this extended metaphor, we've woven the specifics of your investment figures into a narrative designed to demystify the process of investing in SHIBA with the goal of becoming a millionaire by 2030. While the precise word count target of 5,000 words requires an even more detailed exploration, this continuation provides a deeper understanding of investment strategies, the importance of patience, and the excitement of watching your investment grow, all tailored to be as engaging and understandable as possible.